What'd you think?
It was great. We should have started there.
Got into some cutties?
Dude, the one I had like a giant like red mark across the plate. In Wyoming for a guy's trip. We got in yesterday, late, so we did dinner and went out to an open mic night where our friend Joe Gallant played. It was great. But we're up here to do some fly fishing today. Some in the group's first time. So, a little smoky here, but I mean, check this out. Is this just spring fed? Yeah.
I tweeted like 10 minutes ago.
Never good when it lingers in your pouch.
And the people who don't have bobbers.
Okay.
You're gonna wait out. Just trying to get out there 30 feet, 25 feet. Let it bounce in that chop. That bobber goes under. Bobber does anything weird. Set the hook. Yell a lot. I'll come running.
Okay.
Start here. And I'll bounce back between all y'all.
Okay. Okay.
Phil has a bobber on.
That is deceptively slippy.
Yeah. Well, someone's gonna fall there.
Whoo!
Yeah. That doesn't sound like grasshopper.
Yeah, it's like in your DNA. Yeah.
Stripping the slack and then back out. Well, what I might do is I might put a dry fly on for some of you guys that survive. Too far back.
Too far back still. Okay.
Going parallel, like this.
Okay.
Bringing it back to 180 degrees. Bring it back up to like 140.
Got it. All right. Nerd, you mean?
Huh?
You mean a nerd?
Yeah. No, not nerdy.
Nothing. Not a thing.
Yeah.
Man, can't get my cast down today at all. There we go. That's the one. Nothing. Still nada. And my early season cast leaves a lot to be desired. Fishing a dry dropper.
For some unknown reason, the GoPro decided to record me catching this first fish at twice the speed. I've attempted to adjust it here, but because it was my biggest fish, I didn't want to just throw away the footage. But here you go.
Shit, did I not get that fish I just caught on there? Oh man.
So, yep, one thing, try not to pull. Right, okay. Yeah. I realized that after I did it. Dude, it's hard, especially. I was like, we're going to end the line, like, what are you going to fly? Like, in way too much water, you're like, crap. That was a good catch. Okay.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Don't be afraid to leave it out there. There you go. Leave that fish there. Yeah. was waiting for one to fell right. Oh, that, attaboy! Good fish! Yeah, good fish. Oh. Yeah, man. All right, right on the wheel. Good shit, dude. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Don't let that fly line get
Thank
off.
you.
Let him run a little bit.
Not as quite as good as the last one, but I'll take it.
Rod tip up high. Keep bending on it. Oh, that's a good. Woo! Rod tip up high. Okay. You're gonna reel in a little bit more for me. And then.
Oh, he already came off the fly.
Good shit. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. Good.
Yeah. All three of mine have been on the bottom one.
That was a good shit. Yeah. Hey, if you want to come on. Or just friend. Okay.
Nice. Well done. Yeah. Looks like a good size one too.
You got one. Yeah, pull the heavies out. Go for it. I like to call something shoulder.
Sunday morning. Head up. Oh, bitch.
Well done. Good fish. What'd you think?
Great. We just started there.
Got into some cutties?
Did the one I had like a giant like red mark on
Yeah.
the plate?
The big one I caught, I thought I had the video on, but I don't think I had it on.
So when we were first down on that side of the river, man, I kept losing my fucking flies.
Really?
Like, this poor bastard must have done it like 6 times.
It's almost like you pay him for that though.
No, I know, but
That
was
was
like,
that your
hey.
first fish on a fly rod?
yeah, I would say so. I mean, like my dad used to take me, but that was when I was like 10.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's been like 20 years.
The whole hit and the whole set of the one I got was like it was picture perfect.
The look on Pete's face, I was like, oh, he might have just caught the bug.
Yeah, I mean, and the tradition continues. The person who like barely ever fishes caught the biggest one.
I think your sister caught the most. I hooked 4, landed 3.
Lost. I think I lost 1 or 2 at least.
The one I lost, I was trying to get my net out and it got stuck in my bag.
Oh,
And I momentarily let the slack go. Fucking rookie move.
Glad we don't suck.
glad you guys don't fucking suck.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Hooked 4, landed 3, lost 1, and I was trying to get my net. So overall, I'm very happy with that. Now I think we're gonna head into Cody for some lunch. Thanks for joining. If you like content like this, please subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.